Hi, I'm Miss Jones, and this is a smart break activity covering different M.6 standards. The first game is to have students place the correct smaller shapes into the larger shapes. And then you tell students if they have the correct shapes into the correct boxes. For example, maybe a student put the triangle with the circle. That will be incorrect, and have them to put it where it belongs, the circle with the circle. This The second game is identifying squares and triangles. Place the square with the square, and maybe a student put the triangle with the square. It spans it out, or the square with the triangle. This game consists of matching the same shapes of different sizes. Then it gives you the attempts and the score you got right. This is the same game, but it consists of matching different shapes. Triangle, triangle, circle and square. This game consists of students putting the correct numeral in order. Ta-da! Have the students find a sequence. Square, triangle, square, triangle, square. What comes next? Triangle. That's correct. Move all the stars to the new square in 10 seconds. Just a fun way to get the students to interact. What is missing? Place a shape from each of the 3 squares at the bottom and have the students to tell you which one belongs. For example, do this belong, students? The answer should be no. But the square belongs in the sequence. This is another game that calls for the students to put the numbers in order. and it tells the student which ones are correct and which ones are wrong. This requires for the students to place the squares in order from largest to smallest. Is this correct? No. Have the students to try again. Now, you are finished. Have the students come to the board one at a time and finish the sequence, and then have them click here to identify. Click here to identify to see if they were correct.